welcome to the cafe. Today's poem is The Hummingbird by Beatrice Ravenel. The sundial makes no sign at the point of the August noon. The sky is of ancient tin, and the ring of the mountains diffused and unmade. One always remembers them. On the twisted dark of the hemlock hedge, rain like a line of shivering violin bows, hissing together, poised on the last turgid swell, batters the flowers. Under the trumpet vine arbor, clear, precise as an Abuban print, the air is of melted grass, solid, filling interstices of leaves that are spaced on the spines like a pattern ground into glass, dead as though dull red glass were poured into the mouth, choking the breath, molding itself into the creases of soft red tissues. And a hummingbird darts head first, splitting the air, keen as a spurt of fire shot from the blowpipe, cracking a star of rays, dives like a flash of fire, forked tail lacing the air into the immobile trumpet, stands on the air, wings like a triple shadow whizzing around him. Shadows thrown on the midnight streets by a snow-flecked arc light. Shadows like sword play, splinters and spines from 1,000 dreams whiz from his wings. The door is always open.